Next is whisk. To mix quickly with a whisk to add air, यानी whisk जो इक्विपमेंट होता है उसकी सहायता से किसी भी चीज़ को चलाना, उसको भी whisk ही बोलते हैं. How do you whisk eggs properly? Can you whisk the eggs until they are fluffy? Who whisked the cream so quickly? Next word is beat. To mix quickly and strongly. किसी भी चीज को अच्छे तरीके से और strongly beat करना और उसको मिलाना. What should I beat first? Would you beat the eggs before adding the milk? How long should we beat the batter? Next is toss. To mix lightly by lifting or turning, यानी किसी भी चीज को उछालकर या पलटकर मिलाना. How do you toss a salad without spilling it? Can you toss the vegetables with olive oil? Who tossed the salad already? Next is coat. To cover food evenly with something. What should we coat with flour? Next is coat. To cover food evenly with something. यानी किसी अन्य चीज से उसकी आउटर लेयर पर उसकी कोटिंग कर देना या उससे उसको ढक देना हल्का हल्का. What should we coat with flour? Could you coat the chicken with breadcrumbs? Why do we coat the potatoes with oil? Next is sprinkle. To drop small amounts evenly over food. इन किसी भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स को किसी भी डिश के ऊपर उसके बराबर मात्रा में ऊपर से हल्का सा डाल देना चुटकी से. What should we sprinkle on top? Could you sprinkle some black pepper over the salad? How much cheese should we sprinkle? Next is drizzle. To pour a small amount slowly, especially of a liquid. So drizzle हम कोई लिक्विड ऊपर से जब डालते हैं हल्का सा तो उसके लिए यूज किया जाता है. स्प्रिंकल कोई इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो लिक्विड ना हो. How should I drizzle the honey? Can you drizzle olive oil over the vegetables? What else can we drizzle on the salad? Next word is knead. To press and fold dough with your hands. यानी आटा गूंथना, लगाना, माढ़ना. How long should I knead the dough? Could you knead the dough until it is smooth? Who is going to knead the dough today? Next is mash. To press food until it becomes soft. यानी किसी भी बॉइल्ड फूड को मैश करना या मिलाना, उसको नन्ना नन्ना करना. What are we going to mash? Can you mash the boiled potatoes? Why do we mash bananas for this recipe? Next is crush, to press something into small pieces. किसी भी चीज को तोड़कर छोटा छोटा कर देना या उसको कूटना. Which garlic cloves should I crush? Would you crush the biscuits for the cheesecake base? How do you crush garlic without a crusher? Next is dissolve, to completely mix into a liquid, यानी किसी भी चीज को घोलना. Why doesn't the sugar dissolve? Could you dissolve the salt in warm water? How long does it take for the sugar to dissolve? Next is melt, to become liquid because of heat, यानी किसी भी चीज का पिघलना. What should we melt first? Can you melt the butter before adding it? Where do we melt the chocolate? Next is evenly, in the same amount everywhere, यानी किसी भी चीज को बराबर बराबर मात्रा में डालना. How can we mix everything evenly? Could you spread the sauce evenly over the pizza? Why is it important to mix evenly? Next is smooth, without lumps or rough pieces. How can I make the batter smooth? Can you keep mixing until the sauce is smooth? What happened to the smooth texture? Next is lumpy, having small lumps instead of being smooth. Why is the batter lumpy? Could you whisk it until the lumps disappear? What should we do if the sauce becomes lumpy? Next is thick, not thin, heavy, or dense. How thick should the batter be? Can you add a little milk? It is too thick. What would happen if the sauce became too thick? Next is thin, watery, not thick. पतला होना. Why is the soup so thin? Could you add more flour to thicken it? How can we make the sauce less thin? Next is batter, a wet mixture used for cakes, pancakes, or frying. What does the batter look like? Can you mix the pancake batter? How long should the batter rest before cooking. Next is dough, a thick mixture used to make bread or pizza. मतलब गुथा हुआ आटा. How does the dough feel now? Could you knead the dough for 5 more minutes? Who made the pizza dough? Next is stir in, to add something while stirring. यानी किसी चीज को जब आप चला रहे हो उस समय डालना, चलाते हुए किसी भी चीज को ऐड करना. What should I stir in now? Could you stir in the chopped herbs? Why do we stir in the cheese at the end? Next is over mix, to mix longer than needed. Why shouldn't we over mix the batter? Could overmixing make the cake hard? What would happen if we overmixed the dough?